1985 Chevrolet El Camino, custom one at that. As you can see by the gold and green custom paint on it. Underneath the hood, powered by a 305 Chevy V8, and that is paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Also nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold in this one. Now I'll give you a good look at the front fascia here. You can see that there has been some paint work done kind of down by this marker light and around the lower fascia on this, around the headlights. And it's not a real high-end job, if you will. So I want to make you aware of that. A little bit of a scuff over here in that fascia. Give you an idea, but if it's one, you're looking for one to drive to a local roll-in, cruise-in car show, not going to see one like this every day. Now, if you want to see the still pictures, so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Custom hood scoop on this. Does have functioning turn signal lights in it also. Slip around, show you that. The blinker indicators do work in that. Interior carries through with the green and gold custom theme. Bench seat. We'll start it up here in a second, let you hear it run, look at the interior a little closer. As you can see, spray and bed liner also added to it. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the car is pretty straight up and down the side of it with those longer panels. You will find a few imperfections in the paint, maybe a little bit of a ding here or there, but again, paint shows all right, maybe with the exception of that front fascia I tried to point out for you. And again, check out the still pictures so you can see the close-ups of the front end, rear, sides, pretty much shot from every different angle on this one at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you there. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down the driver's side of this. Also want to note the 305 underneath the hood has approximately 30,000 on it since it was rebuilt, and that goes for the transmission also, which was again a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Did notice a little scuff right back here, a little spot right there if you can see it. It's just some light scratches in the paint there. And as usual, we do have an open door policy for a third-party inspector. If you can't make it yourself, would like somebody to come take a peek at it for you, give you the report on it, feel free to do that. Again, open door policy for third-party inspectors. Be sure to consult with a sales associate when you call in or email also. All right, interior. So cloth vinyl combo with that bench seat up front. Power windows. Now I've played around with some of the accessories. Wipers worked for me. I had the radio power up, but it was not getting any sound, anything out of it, and it seemed to have reception. Power's up. No music or sound. All right, as you can see, tachometer's working. Here's the rest of the gauges. Also are moving, so it looks like the rest of the gauges are right. There is also a power mirror on this side, and that is this switch right here in the dash. And again, I mentioned those turn signal indicators do work. Aftermarket stereo. Take a look at the dash. Dash does not look cracked or sun-baked. It's good up there. Headliner carries the gold and green theme throughout the interior. Kind of tough with the, sorry about the glare there, trying to give you an idea of that. But the cloth, the fabric, and the vinyl, nice shape on the seats. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nice little rumble coming out of 305. Sounds good. All right, let's slip up to the front. I want to pause this a second, pop this hood, let you check out the engine bay, and we'll wind up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's the 305. Something also to note, new compressor, and again, AC blows cold. So it has had some service and maintenance work to it. Looks like it's got a newer brake booster. And again, power steering, power brakes. Paired up with that turbo 350 automatic trans. Smooth running engine. Appears to have been converted from the R12 also. So we have some newer AC components on there. '85 Chevrolet El Camino Custom. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description so it can take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.